my dear students, I Miss Munazza Sayyed welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you EVS subject of grade 2. So children, in our last period we have learned the lesson number 6 of EVS, our neighborhood. So the people who are living near our houses are, who are they children? Our relatives? No, we have the proper word for them. What is that? Neighbors. Very good. So they are our neighbors, and with these neighbors and in an area where we live, with some of the places like hospital, police station, market, schools and so on, that make up a neighborhood. Okay. And we have saw the details about the places in our neighborhood. What are those places? Can you name some places, children? If we want to buy some delicious food, where you will go? To the market. Very good. If you want to post a Rakhi to your cousin brother who lives in another city, where you will go? To the hospital. Acha, no. Then what is the answer? Post office. Very good. So in this way, how those places are helpful for us, in which we have learned that. Then after, in our last period, we have solved the textbook exercise also, but some portion is remaining still. So what we have to do, that textbook exercise we are going to solve today. So open your textbook, EVS session, page number 35. Open your textbook. Page number will be 3535. Okay. So in the last period we have written the names of these two places, and even I told you that about these 4 pictures we are going to solve it today. Remove your pencils, children. Remove your pencils, then we will start writing this. Okay. Now which place is this, children? Cash, loan, the people are waiting here. Which place is this? Bank. Very good. You all know very well. So, do you have this bank in your neighborhood? I do have in my neighborhood. Do you all have? Yes. So, tick here, and what we have to write here? The name of this place. B-A-N-K. Bank. Say the spelling and write the answer. B-A-N-K. Bank. Now next picture we have this. Which picture is that, children? Shall I zoom in? Yeah. Here is a jeep. What is this? Police station. Very good. Do you have police station in your neighborhood? Yes, we all have. So, tick here and write P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Police station. And here next we have the picture of Vijay High School. So this is a school. Do you have school in your neighborhood? Yes, we all have. So tick here and write school spelling. S-C-H. Read and write. S-C-H. Double O L. School. SCHOOL, school. And the last picture, what you can see there, children, in that picture? See how nicely the children are playing. Some are playing ball, some are riding the bicycle, and one boy is playing with the ball. So they are in the park. Very good. The park, do you have in your neighborhood? Yes. So tick here and write here P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. Say the spelling with me. B-A-N-K, bank. B-A-N-K, bank. Second one. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Police station. After that, SCHOOL, school. And the last one, P-A-R-K, park. Here we have questions, pop-up question that we'll see. Have you completed the spelling writing, children? Okay. Few more seconds I'll give you. Now we'll see this, okay? As you have written. First of all, let me erase these answers, then we'll see that. Okay. Who am I? I will read this. You have to say the correct answer. Okay. I am pasted on a letter. Who am I? I am pasted on a letter. Who am I? What we are pasting on the letter to post? Stamp. Okay. Without that stamp, we can't send anything anywhere. Second one, I am a machine you can get money from. Who am I? Very good. ATM. Third one, I work in a hospital. I take care of people who are sick. Who am I? Doctor and the nurse. Both are working. But both the answers are right. Who said doctor? That is also correct. Who said nurse? That is also correct. Okay? I deliver letters and parcels to your friends and relatives. Who am I? Postal worker means postman and postwoman. Good. I keep your neighborhood safe. Who am I? I keep your neighborhood safe. Who am I? Yes, you are correct. Police. Fine. Now we have done with these answer also, and we saw this pop-up question. Below that, we have answer the following questions. First, we will see this presentation. Then we are going to solve the answers, okay?
Keeping our neighborhood clean.
Keeping our neighborhood clean. How we can?
We must throw garbage only in the garbage bin.
So how we can keep our neighborhood clean is we must throw garbage. Garbage means kachra. Okay. We must throw garbage only in the garbage bin. Garbage bin is nothing but dust bin. Yes.
We must not spit on the streets or dirty the walls with posters.
We must not spit on the streets or dirty the walls with posters. You can see in both these pictures, थूकना मना है. थूकने पर 200 रुपये का जुर्माना. Okay, spit means what? Thukna. So we should not spit anything on the walls, and we should not paste the pictures also like this. That is very bad habit to spit. Okay.
We must plant trees in our neighborhood.
Yes. Go green means planting the trees. We must plant trees in our neighborhood.
We must walk or cycle to places in the neighborhood.
Means if you want to go a nearby place, you should walk or you should ride the bicycles. It is healthy for us also. Okay.
A clean neighborhood is a healthy place to live in.
Exactly, absolutely right. A clean neighborhood is a healthy place to live in. Means how much our area, our neighborhood will be clean, that much we will be healthier. Okay. So we are going to solve now the next point. Answer the following questions. First question is, where would you go when you are hurt or ill? Where would you go when you are hurt or ill? Where you will go, children, when you are hurt or you injured something? When we are hurt or ill, we will go to a hospital. Write the ANS means what? Answer. When we are hurt or ill, we will go to a hospital. Children, I leave the place doesn't mean you also have to leave the place. Okay. Just I have written because some of you will write in big handwriting and some of you will write in small handwriting. So what will happen? For the rough idea, I have left this place. If you are able to write here the words, you can complete the full line and you can go for the next word down in the line. Okay. When we are hurt or ill, we will go to a hospital. Repeat after me. When we are hurt or ill, we will go to a hospital. Second one, what do the police do? What do the police do? In which way the policemen are helping us, children? What do they do for us? The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. Answer. The police help to, what way they are helping? To keep NEIGHBOUR neighbor HOOD hood. The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from whom? From thieves and robbers. Okay? Write the answers properly. First question is, you write the answers. I'll just take the revision. Where would you go when you are hurt or ill? Where we are going, children, if we are not feeling well? To the hospital, to visit the doctor. When we are hurt or ill, we will go to a hospital. When we are hurt or ill, we will go to a hospital. Second one, what do the police do? The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. The police help to keep our neighborhood safe from thieves and robbers. Write the correct spellings, children. Completed? Good. I'll erase this. Then we are going to see our next questions. Till then you can turn the page. Yeah. Turn the page, children. First and second one we have solved. Now we are going to see this third, fourth and fifth. Third one question is, what can you do in a park? What you can do, children, in the park? We can play and exercise in the park. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. So first point is, we can play and exercise in the park. Write the answer. We can play and exercise in the park. We can play and exercise in the park. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. After full stop, first letter capital. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. If you are not completing these two lines, means you are getting the less lines, you can continue till here also, or you have to write here. Okay, children? We can play and exercise in the park. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. We can play and exercise in the park. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. Write properly, children. Fourth one question is, why do we go to a post office? Why we are going to the post office? Why do we go to a post office? Why we are going to the post office, children? To send letters. Okay. We go to a post office when we want to send letters. To whom we are sending the letters? To our friends and relatives. We go to a post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. Third answer completed, children. Okay. We go to a post office when we want to send letters. To whom we are sending the letters? To our friends and relatives. Relatives. We go to a post office when we want to send letters. To whom we want to send the letters? To our friends and relatives. We go to a post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. Fifth one, who are firefighters? Who are firefighters, children? जो लोग आग को बुझाते हैं, right? So, the people who put out fires are called firefighters. People who put out fires are called firefighters. Answer, fifth one we are going to write. People, people who put out, fires, put out fires are called firefighters. People who put out fires are called firefighters. Third question is, what can you do in a park? Repeat the answer after me. We can play and exercise in the park. Some people go there to meet and talk to others. Fourth one, why do we go to a post office? Why do we go to a post office? We go to a post office. We go to a post office when we want to send letters to our friends and relatives. Fifth one, who are firefighters? People who put out fires are called firefighters. Done writing, children? Good. Now, here we have the next point. Visit the market nearest to you. Make a list of 10 things you can buy there. Visit the market nearest to you. Make a list of 10 things you can buy there. Now, you know what we can buy from the market, and just you have to make the list of things. How many things you have to write there? 10 that you can buy from the market. So, this will be your HW. Okay? Right here upside HW. H for home, W for work. HW. Written, children? Good. Now here the next point we have is, name any other place that you find in your neighborhood. The other place they are telling. Name any other place that you find in your neighborhood. Draw your favorite place in your neighborhood below. So here below you have the place. Just a minute, wait, I'll show you. Yes, this is also your HW, children. See here. You have to draw in this box your favorite place in your neighborhood. It will be different for everyone. Some of them will write market, school, park, anything you can draw which is your favorite, and you have to draw it here in this box. So this is also your HW. Write there HW. Yes children, so today we have completed the textbook exercise of lesson number 6, our neighborhood, and I have given you the homework to list 10 things that you can buy from the market, and second one is you have to draw your favorite place in your neighborhood. Okay, do that homework. Thank you.